Our AD Plus Smart AI dash camera has a number of underrated features. One of these features is privacy mode. Now, we understand that privacy is important to your drivers, and that's why we've included a dedicated privacy mode to address any concerns that they may have. The privacy mode on the AD Plus dash camera is specifically designed to protect your driver's privacy while ensuring their safety while on the road. Activating privacy mode is incredibly simple. Just follow these easy steps. Step 1, make sure your vehicle is stopped. Step 2, hold down the rear button on the AD Plus dash camera for 3 seconds. You will be given an audible alert to let you know that privacy mode is now enabled.
Privacy mode enabled.
And just like that, the driver fatigue lens is deactivated, ensuring your driver's privacy is protected. Now your drivers can take a rest break with peace of mind, knowing that their privacy is secure. The AD Plus dash camera is packed with advanced safety features that help prevent accidents and protect your drivers while on the road. All of the features of the forward-facing camera, such as lane departure, following too close, and collision detection, are still active, even when the privacy mode is enabled. Privacy can be deactivated a couple of ways. The driver can press and hold the rear button again for 3 seconds, when they'll be given an audible alert to let them know that privacy mode is now disabled.
Privacy mode disabled.
Alternatively, the AD Plus dash camera's privacy mode is intelligently designed to automatically disable itself when your vehicle reaches a predetermined speed. This means that once your vehicle exceeds a specific speed threshold, the driver-facing lens will reactivate automatically. It ensures that you can still benefit from the full functionality of your AD Plus dash camera, capturing important moments and providing valuable evidence in the event of an incident. With the AD Plus Smart AI dash camera's privacy mode, your vehicles can be fully monitored and operated safely when moving, and your driver's privacy can be protected on rest breaks.